Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Usara Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to tie a simple gele in just 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. It's very easy to tie. First, I fold my ashoke into two equal halves. I made about 4 few plaits on the ashoke. Sit across my head from the back to the front, as you see me do now. I crossed it like this, made a knot as you see me do now. One and another two, just like that. Then I'll take one part of the knot I made and make few plaits on top. As you can see me do, I'll make few plaits, about 4 or more plaits on this side first. I'll do it to the back, then I'll also do the same on the other side and take it to the back to tie. I'll make sure I tie very firmly so my gele will not fall off. And I tied firmly with all my strength. And now to the front, I will start arranging the front to my desired height. If you want yours to be very high, you can just make it high, pin a little, take it very high up. But I want mine to just be not too high. So now I'll just arrange the few plates. It doesn't mean it must be all plates. You can just make ruffles in between here and there. Take it to the back, pin down. I just take it to the back after arranging, as you see me do now. I take my pin at the back, and see, and tuck in the remaining part of the gele. I tuck it in, then I pin this part just to make it strong. I'll do the same for the other side. I arranged and also take it to the back to pin, just like that. And you can see it's a bit easy. Now to the front, this I'll pin also at the back. Also join these two arcs together with a pin at the front, as you can see me do now. I'll pin both sides together at the front. Now I just make few adjustments, rearrange, and you can see my gele is ready. Just 3 minutes. It's not up to 3 minutes. You're ready to roll. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.